folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Sorry, it's almost noon today, but I'm here. So we're going to talk about where rates started the day, where they're at right now, and some indexes that came out that I thought would shock the markets that really haven't so far. So don't go away. We're going to talk about those next. Okay, so the big number that came out today is the JOLT index. The JOLT index actually gives us a read on how many job openings there are. And it just surpassed, I think it's about the second highest number that we've ever seen. One was just recently this year. There's over 11 million job openings. So let's get to all the data that we have right now. Let's get on to it. So here's what we got. The Great Resignation slowing down in October while job openings jumped. Okay, so a lot of people are quitting, not going back, don't really know what's going on with that. Still trying to put a beat on it. I have a lot of people in a lot of friends in the manufacturing business, logistics business, labor, auto industry, and they're all like, dude, we can't find help. So if you're out there looking for a job, God bless you, man. But sometimes you might just have to take a job just to get your foot back in the door in the workforce and kind of move from there. So that's what's going on right now. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do. You know what to do on your own. You're adults. The next thing is, here's the JOLT index, and we can focus in on right here. Here's the live shot of it. And this is online trading right now, and it is 11:30 my time, Central Standard Time on Wednesday. It says it just popped out. In the JOLT index, oh, where was it? Actual 11 million people. The forecast was 10.3, so 700,000 more job openings than we expected. So let's get on to rates. Where did they open the day? So here's what we focus on. Here's where the rates opened, and then I'm going to show you where the charts are so far today and what my thoughts are by the end of the day, and then some information on the economic data that's coming in the rest of this week. So we start out with a 30-year fixed rate, and right there we are at 3.25. It's up 3 basis points. That's how you read this thing. So I'm going to scroll across here. 30-year rates, the product, today is 3.25. Yesterday's 3.22. Change is 0.03. We reference 3 basis points. Okay, so not a dramatic change. So if you scroll through here, you're going to see the same thing. 15-year is at 2.6. The 30-year FHA and VA 2.9. Jumbo's 3.15, and the 5-year ARM is 3.48. Still above where the 30-year fixed is. So if you're on an ARM, I highly suggest you get off of that thing because rates are only going to go up, guys. I'm not going to be a doomsayer. When the Fed says they're going to taper, that means there's going to be less demand for mortgage-backed securities, and rates are going to go up until there's a normal, until there's an equilibrium on the buy and supply side. Let's see what's happening for today. People follow me because of this. What's going on with mortgage rates? Then what's going on with the Fed? What's going on with the economic data? I provide you all that information. What we focus in on this channel right here at this time is what the MBS price is doing. The MBS is the mortgage-backed security bond that trades on Wall Street. It is right here, the price. So let me go over and explain to you briefly what this means. As the price goes down, mortgage rates go up. Okay, so that's basically it in a nutshell. So when this starts to go down, mortgage rates go up. I said right in here, if we see a reversal, right in here, if we see a reversal, we're going to lock you in. We're locking in people by the dozens every day. Good news is we have 4 closings today, between today and yesterday. All of those were booked, docked, closed within 12 business days. So if you're freaking out because you're buying a house or you're building a house, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you guys because we can turn these things fast and shop your loan over 180 lenders throughout the entire country. I'll explain to you a little bit more on what I do on the end. So that's the chart of what's going on right now. Economic calendar, as you can see, the JOLT index came in. We're expecting 10.4 million job openings. We were at 11.03. Huge number. What's going on so far today, intraday? Oh, I forgot to get that. So let's get to the intraday chart. We'll scroll down. And what I don't like, I always hate red, and we're seeing nothing but red today. So that is not a good sign. That means, when this goes down, mortgage rates are going up. Okay, so that being said, let me get on to what I do and how I can help you. So let's get on to this. My name is Dan Frio. I do this every day. I've been doing this in this business for over 34 years. I just became one of the biggest brokerage. I joined the biggest mortgage brokerage in the country. Why? For you guys. We have hundreds of people calling us on a weekly basis. Lately, it's been about 30, 40 a day. You guys are reaching out to us saying, hey, Dan, can you review my loan estimate? I'm going to talk to you about that in a minute. But a lot of people are building homes and they're freaking out. They're like, Dan, my house isn't going to be done for several months. I have some ideas for you guys. So if you're building a house, call us. I have some negotiation power with you with the builder. And what they're doing to you guys, one of the comments in YouTube today was, Dan, why can I go through my builder? They're giving me all these credits, but their rate is high and they're charging me a ton of fees. Well, guys, nothing's free. What the builders are doing, they're subsidizing the lenders. So basically what they're doing is the lenders are raising your rates, the builders overcharging you, kicking that back to the mortgage company and so forth. It's a mess, guys. So if you're in that debacle, please reach out to us. We'll give you some options on what you might consider and what you might do in regards to that. If you're in the process of a mortgage right now and you had to have received a loan estimate if you applied for a loan, okay, what I'm asking people to do is email me that loan estimate. It goes over the loan amount, the appraised value, the terms, if you're locked in on or not, the rate, the fees, everything. I'll review it for you. Give me 24 hours. I mean, we are swamped right now, but I want to help you guys. So email that to me at Dan, D-A-N, at therateupdate.com. And I'll review that and get back with you probably within a couple hours. And I usually try to do it in video form so I can compare side by side what they're offering you versus what I can do. If you're in a forbearance, I did a video yesterday. Please check that out. I would think the phones would be ringing off the hook for people in forbearance, and it's not. That's a little scary. So later today, I'm going to do an in-depth video on if you're building a house, what you should look for, how you should negotiate. Please stay tuned for that. But if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video. But what I need you to do is basically, if you would, go to my website, therateupdate.com. It's showing right here. Give us a call. That's the number one thing I'm asking you guys to do, okay? Give us a call, 844-775-5626, or schedule a meeting. Why? Because your situation is probably a little unique. Your job, your property, your loan type, your credit, your income, something. We want to talk to you because otherwise you're going to go down this path full steam ahead and possibly hit a brick wall at the end. That's what we don't want to happen to you, especially if you're building or buying a house. If you're in the process of refinancing, like I said, send me your loan estimate. If you're not, I'm going to actually post a video later today to give you what my rates are generically on FHA, VA, and conventionals. Hope you watch that because if your rate is above that, we'd love to work with you and help you to refinance and take advantage of today's low rates. If you're like, Dan, I just want to apply now and move on, just click the apply now button and you're on your way. So thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless. Hope to hear from you soon. I'll be back later today with that building special on how you can negotiate better terms when you're building a house. So check that out if you would, please. So thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.